Hello, I am the Strange Attractor. I am dealing with chaos theory, art and philosophy. What you just saw was the Fractal Art Calendar title image for 2023. I got mine already and I need one Fractal Art Calendar on my walls to have various changing, intricate images for every month of a year. So I am served and I am already quite happy. When you get this calendar, you can use the coupon code I Love Chaos to get a 10% rebate. When you got it, you will be shown images like this one. This one is made by Julius Horsthuis. Christian met him in Amsterdam last year and made a little interview about him. Julius is one of the most famous and well-known fractal video producers, but as well creates exhibitions in New York and VR installations and full dome projections. And since we continue with the variety of fractal art that we introduced in the last calendar, the image that is most related to the work by Julius Horsthuis is the image made by Keith Anderson. And Keith Anderson is a VJ producer, so this is a still image from an animation made by Keith Anderson. And likewise, this image by Julius Horsthuis is just a snapshot from a video. Next issue we cover the March image, and you should buy your calendar now.